How to protect yourself. Use strong, unique passwords. Always use long, complex passwords for your accounts. Avoid using the same password for multiple sites. A password manager can help you keep track of your login credentials securely. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of identification, like a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. Update your software regularly. Always install updates for your operating system, applications, and antivirus software. These updates often contain important security patches to fix vulnerabilities. Be wary of phishing scams. Be cautious when opening emails or text messages from unknown senders. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading attachments from untrusted sources. Use a VPN. Virtual Private Network. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it harder for hackers to intercept your data, especially when you're using public Wi-Fi networks. Back up your data. Regularly back up important files to an external drive or cloud service. In case of a cyber attack or hardware failure, you won't lose valuable information. Make sure to stick around for our next video, where we'll explore the emerging trends in cybersecurity.